Uniden Bearcat microphones are notoriously quiet. If you don't have time to go out and get a power mic, this quick mod might solve your problem. The first step of this mod is to detach the microphone from your CB radio. Then all we need to do is take it apart. It's got 3 screws here in the back. For that, you're going to need a Phillips screwdriver, so get those removed. With the screws removed, the microphone comes apart into 2 pieces very easily. The only thing we care about is this piece right here. Take a small flathead screwdriver and pry out this plastic disc in the front of the microphone. As you see, it comes out very easily. This disc has 2 sound filters, one on the back and one on the front. The black one here on the front should slide right off because it's not glued into place. Now we flip the disc over and we got to remove the one on the back. This one pops out fairly easily as well. Just flip it over, kind of manipulate the plastic, and you'll see it peels right out. The first part of this mod involves making this hole here in this little plastic disc just a little bit bigger. For that, I'm going to go ahead and use a leather hole punch. You can see how much bigger that hole is and how much plastic I've removed. Now we simply put the black sound filter back in place over the top of that plastic disc, flip it over, and we'll reinsert it back in the front of the microphone exactly the way it came out. This small white sound filter, you can discard it or keep it if you want. You're not going to need it anymore. Now let's put the microphone back together and screw all those screws back into place. Well, you're done watching this video, and if it helped you out, I'd appreciate that thumbs up like. Follow us on Instagram for what projects don't make it to video. And maybe, just maybe, I'll see you on the next video. If you enjoy videos about the randomness of our amazing world, consider clicking on the globe to subscribe, or maybe checking out one of the other videos right here.